It is possible to unsend a text message on Android, but whether it's successful or not depends on a couple of things.
To unsend a message, you'll pick a conversation, find the message you want to unsend, tap and hold that message, and then from the top of your screen, tap the trash can icon.
If unsending is available, you'll see two options, either delete for me or delete for everyone. Choose the latter and the message will be unsent and deleted. Mine doesn't have those two options, and it's only asking if I'd like to delete the message. I can delete it, but it'll only delete it on my end. This can happen if your recipient is using an iPhone. Even though iPhones technically use RCS for messaging, which is the same protocol Google Messages is using, unsending between Android and iPhone is still a hit or miss and might not work properly. Also, if your recipient is on Android but their phone or carrier doesn't support RCS and they're using SMS instead, unsending is not going to work. Another thing to be aware of is that you usually have around 15 minutes to unsend or edit a message. Sometimes you might have longer, but generally speaking, there is a time limit. And if you want to unsend a message, you need to do it fairly quickly. Anyways, that's how you unsend a message. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.